Welcome to La Quinta Inn & Suites by Wyndham San Francisco Airport North, where comfort and convenience await in California. Discover our spacious and modern rooms, designed with your comfort in mind, featuring modern amenities, including mini refrigerator, microwave, hairdryer, free toiletries, and more. To make your stay even better, we offer a variety of amenities including free breakfast, free Wi-Fi, a 24-hour front desk, a business center, mobile check-in, free shuttle service, on-site guest laundry, pet-friendly, an outdoor pool, a fitness center, and much more. We are conveniently located near some of the top attractions in San Francisco, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, including San Francisco Zoo, San Francisco Botanical Garden, Union Square, Golden Gate Bridge, Fisherman's Wharf, Alcatraz, and Mission Dolores Park. Whether you are planning your stay or exploring the best of what the area has to offer, our knowledgeable staff is always available to help. Visit www.lqsfoairport.com and experience comfort, convenience, and Southern hospitality at its finest.